We have asked a Southwest Florida immigration attorney, Indera DeMine, to join us live via Zoom. She's a graduate of Ave Maria Law School in Collier County, and she's been very busy since opening her own law practice about 4 years ago, Indera, because so much changed with immigration law back then 4 years ago. Where are we at now in Southwest Florida?
Absolutely. And again, we're having this major change and, there's a lot of excitement and hopefulness in the immigrant community with this recent change under the Biden administration.
Now, what will this mean, for example, for DACA folks? These are kids who were brought here. They didn't have any choice in the matter when their parents came to the country without documents, but they still don't really have the status of someone who would be born here.
Right. So for DACA folks that were brought here, the idea is they did not intend to break the law. They were brought here as children. This proposal would create a direct pathway for those folks to gain lawful permanent resident status in the United States. DACA individuals would be first in line to gain lawful status, and from residency can then apply for U.S. citizenship.
And how soon would that and maybe some of the other changes that President Biden are calling for actually go into effect, do you think?
Judging by the last comprehensive immigration bill that was trying to get passed under the Obama administration, we saw that fail miserably. So hopefully we can garner some support around this. The idea is as soon as this goes through Congress and if it becomes law, that it can be implemented immediately.
I know one of the reasons you're so popular with so many families in Southwest Florida is you know the experience yourself as an immigrant. What kind of questions are you getting from people now that there seems to be sort of a change in the air around immigration?
Yeah, so, folks are hopeful and they're wanting to be first in line. So I've had a lot of phone calls with folks wanting to know, what documents do I get ready? What do I prepare? What do I need to do? Folks that are filing taxes, they're just wanting to know what documentation to get in place so that they're first in line to file for whatever relief comes down the pipe. And, what I'm telling individuals and folks is, gather your evidence to show that you've been living in the United States. File your taxes. That is always my first advice, is to file your taxes. It shows good moral character. And the final advice is stay out of trouble, because whatever you apply for with immigration, you have to prove good moral character. So it's very important to make sure you're not breaking the law. So those are my few advice. Yeah.